Now, in terms of how you structure your studying, there's a couple of things I want you to think about. LSAT studying best happens in three phases: accuracy, untimed, then pacing under timed conditions with individual sections, and finally endurance with full-length 5-section exams. Now, if you've got a 5-month timeline or a 6-month timeline, that's great because you could spread it out slowly. You don't have to try and cram it all at once and try to burn out or end up burning out in just a period of 2 months or so. So you could theoretically devote 1 month to games, 1 month to reasoning, and then 1 month to reading comprehension, and then make the following 2 months about pulling it all together with the pacing and the endurance. So let's say you start off with games. You could do the easiest ordering games first, then the moderate difficulty ordering games, then the most difficult ordering games, then do different types of grouping games going from easy to moderate to hard, and so on. Doing all of this untimed just to learn the fundamentals, and then move on to individual sections of games timed, and then the full-length timed exams. But you have to give yourself that time to learn the basics. You have to give yourself that time to get the accuracy down, because the pacing will add a whole nother level to this. And if you don't already know how to do them under untimed conditions, how will you do them timed, of course? So let's say you focus on games. You still do want to do some work on reasoning and reading comp during that period so that you're exposing yourself to them and not getting rusty on them. And then when you move on to reasoning, you still want to do some games and reading comp at the same time. So maybe if you have one period of focus on games, that's devoted, let's say that's taking up 75% of your focus, and then you're devoting 12.5% of your focus to reading comp, 12.5% of your focus to logical reasoning. And you could just kind of divide your LSAT study over that ratio of, let's say, maybe 4:1 or 8:1 or something else like that. I'm not a math person. I'm an LSAT person. They're a bit different, of course. So that's what I'd say about structuring your studying. And of course, the best material of all is actual LSAT exams. You can get them in books of 10 on Amazon for about $20 each. And they're called actual official LSAT prep tests. And so given a 5-month timeline or longer, I would say start off with exams 52 to 61, then 62 to 71, and then doing the other newer exams in the 70s and 80s as individual full-length 5-section timed exams. LSAC only publishes them as 4 sections, not 5. So to get the 5th section, you take it from another exam. So let's say you're doing exams 83, 84, 85, and 86 as full-length timed exams over a 4-week period. You could then take exam 82 and divide it into 4 parts and take each one of those 4 parts and insert them in exams 83, 84, 85, and 86. And then later you can tally your results for 82 to see what that would have been like. Now, again, 5 sections, very important. Endurance is huge. On LSAT test day, you'll be doing 3 sections back to back with no break, then a short 10-minute break after that, then another 2 sections back to back.